Oh, hello guys. So we're back with the word app, and this is episode 2. So I'll just save this to Word, and as you can see, we have this. So let's just get straight to it. So now we have this. We can just like when this comes on, as you know, it waits like a few seconds, and then it's so we can just put wait, then change, repeat, then change to by then like that. So see comes on, then fades out. Then that now broadcasts start. No, let's leave that. So broadcast start. So we'll make a new sprite, and when we broadcast start, we'll just make this the menu tab. No, just make this menu. So now we'll scroll, and as you can see, we have the menu. We can just make this menu as big as possible. So this is the menu, and then we can. So basically, I'll go to advanced, and I'm going to make the size bigger. So 480 times 480 is what? 480 times 480. Sorry, not that. 480 times 2, 960. Guys, 360 times 360 is 720. So we can now. So now we have this store settings in project, and oh my goodness, this is huge. Yeah, it's huge. Yeah, I, there's no way I can work with this. Nah, I can't work with this. Let's go back to advanced, and we'll just change this maybe to something like 520 tab. Let's change this to 480. So basically, so store settings in projects, and it's still too big. So I guess we'll just leave it the way it was before, 480 and 360, just in case you forget about this. So now it's normal again. um, and so it's normal again. So now we can just let's just check this for reference. As you can see, it has a white outline, so you can just so that's what you can do. Make it whiter, and so I'm just gonna leave it like so. Let's make the 0 0. So now basically you can just shift this like this, and it's not really exactly this color. It's somehow this okay. So now we have this page, and we can just press that down. So now let's see what else we have here. So we're just gonna add this blank stuff. So you can just add like search. You can search for what you want. Search for files. So now basically we can just we can just type okay, recent favorites shared with me. Okay, so let's make a new sprite. We'll call this search. I'll make a search bar like this. I'll make it white. Pure white, yeah, pure white. And we'll pop this right. Pop. What's wrong with this? We'll pop this right here, the search bar right here. So what we can just do, we'll zoom into this, and we'll delete this. delete this, and now we have the search bar. And so we'll make the search bar outline to be black. And let's check here. Yep, black. You can add this kind of search sign like circle. We have a circle. So we can now make this line search. So now basically we just call this search bar and call this search bar with this cap letter. And so first, now this A block, this way it comes in. So when green flag clicked, so this A, so let's show text. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do here, we're gonna make a different sprite. Um, no, don't show text. How do we remove this? Search bar text. Watch. Funny. So okay, so I have the search bar again. So you can just go here and put when green flag clicked, show text, and we'll place it here. So we're gonna set this to sans ref. Wait, is it in sans ref? Um, scratch. Yeah, I think this will be okay. So we're gonna put search. Okay, so this is here. So okay, so then you can just you go to one graphics. Okay, no, when I receive start, see start, then well when green flag clicked hide, then you do the same thing. When green flag clicked hide, when I receive start, then we'll show, and you go to this position. You go to this position. So let's check it out. Okay, so basically this two needs to hide. So let's drag every single thing here and here. Don't forget to change this to 0, 0. So as you can see now we are here on the tab. This is the search tab. So the search bar is still hidden. Okay, I forgot to add the show. So show and go to that position. So search. So now there's one thing I really want to show you guys, and that is the yes pointer mouse cursor. Use cut or high cursor. Also add blocks or mouse and blocks. I think it's this one I used. Yes, this is the one. Okay. So so if touching and if touching mouse pointer, then this is the best part. We'll set mouse cursor to what's text C, and this is so cool. I love this. Else, set it to default. So now it's default. So when this to not add or when this sprite clicked, so we'll make a new sprite. call it date. I call it text. Just by only. So basically, just set to do set this to text. Then we'll set text to search. So now basically we have this. So okay, so when this right clicked, then we'll ask a question. We'll ask, then we will not answer. Then after it shows the answer. So we'll set text to answer. Okay, so let's try it out. Oh yeah. Okay. So basically, okay. So now we have to wrap this in a forever block. Okay, so we'll put this. Okay, in a forever block. So now, file, file. So I could just type KC underscore layer work, and we want it not to exceed. So basically, we'll just go here and say set width to. So let's show this first. Plus 100. Looking closer. Let's see 70 and let's see 50. And what? Okay, let's still try 200. Okay, then we'll move this time minus 35 is 34. So now, oh, so now we have this, and we can like just. So I'm coming. Okay, so now basically this is how. Well, I made the search bar, and this is gonna be. So let me just save this for now. Let me just save this first. So this is gonna be it. In the next episode, I'm gonna make the home tab and the file list. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.